Okay, today we are going to have a look at AI forecasting in Stok.ly. We've come to items and we've selected an item. We're going to come along to the inventory and now you'll see there is demand forecasting. Use AI to predict future sales for this item. So if we tick this box, we will use the AI forecasting in preference to the min and max levels. So we're moving from reactive min and max levels to proactive AI forecasting. Now, if we come down here to inventory warnings, we can see currently recommended period, which is the AI tool. Because we haven't selected that as active, we are still using min and max levels to replenish. However, if we select, for example, 7 days, we are now looking for all the SKUs that have selected to use AI forecasting. So you could still use min and max in conjunction with the AI forecasting if you like, and that is by location. In this case, we are looking to replenish stock for 7 days. So basically what the AI does is predicts using regression analysis how much stock you will need to hold in a specific location, i.e. a shop or a warehouse, if you wish to have stock at the end of that period. And you can see, for example, our min and max level would replenish when you hit the basic 5 and you breach that, and then it would replenish to 10. But actually the AI is saying we should buy 107 units of this SKU and 93 units of this. So now we're making use of AI forecasting to streamline your purchasing, replenishment, and manufacturing. So all I need to do is now I'm going to select those items, I'm going to run the rules, and that will create purchase orders, stock transfers, and manufacturing orders as required. So that's how we're using AI to streamline your purchasing, replenishment, and manufacturing.